Hello there everyone, I'm Paula. I'm going to help you make some wild and wonderful art pieces. Thanks to the people at the Linenhall Arts Centre in Mayo. They've kindly invited us to do some fun free workshops together. Over the next 4 videos, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to make your picture in a way that you might never have done before. You see, we want to make an art piece, but it won't be a usual art piece. We're actually going to make our art piece from the things that we find around our house. By laying lots of little things beside each other, we can make a picture that we then take a photograph of. So, having some pieces ready first is a great help. I've been collecting some things around my house. I've collected all sorts of bits and bobs. Take a look at what I've gathered. Toilet roll cut into pieces, nutmeg, Duplo blocks, cinnamon sticks, paper shapes, hair ties, a stamping set, more toilet rolls, and this time I've cut them in a different way, markers and toy cars. So, what can you do to start? Well, you can start to collect items that you want to use in your own art piece. I suggest you keep them in a safe place for the whole project, for all 4 videos in this series. You will probably have a lot of bits and pieces that you find, so here's some tips on how to keep them together. I like to organise mine into different bowls or boxes or containers. It is helpful if you have lots of pieces gathered before you even start to make a picture, like sticks, buttons, blocks, anything you can find. If you have lots of each item, it also helps for making a more detailed design. Separate and sort them so they are ready to use. If you do sort your pieces first, it is much more fun when you start playing around and trying out your own designs. With all the pieces you have collected, I will ask you to make something after each video. Then after the 4th video, you will be asked to arrange your collected pieces or loose parts together to make a wild or a wonderful art piece. A grown-up in your family can send us in a photo of your work so that you can show your creations online through the Linenhall Arts Centre. So, I'm going to give you a little task to try out at home. Firstly, collect your pieces like I have shown you here. Then try to write out your name using the pieces you've collected. If you have a super long name with loads of letters, maybe you'd like to just do your first letter of your name and you could put some decorations around it. Get someone in your family to take a photo of it, just for practice. Join me soon for part 2 of the Wild and Wonderful Art Workshop. I'm looking forward to seeing what you will design. Have fun trying out something new. Bye!